others, they give you status. I'm your host Varshita from Brickfolio Private Limited. Welcome to Prestige Raintree Park, where luxury finds its perfect location. Prestige Raintree Park. Around 1,386 premium apartments, 3, 3.5 and 4 5 BHK options. Welcome to Prestige Raintree Park. Just take a look at the view. And the biggest highlight, the location. Prestige Raintree Park sits right in the heart of the Whitefield Tech Belt. You're close to Whitefield, Karagodi Metro, quick commute, major IT campuses, ITPL, EPIP zone, Global Tech Park, top schools and international educations, premium malls, entertainment and dining, fast access to ORR and major business districts. For professionals working in East Bangalore, this isn't just convenience, it's a massive lifestyle upgrade. Welcome to this luxurious 4 BHK plus studio apartment. Right now I'm standing in front of this entrance, and the first thing you can see is this premium wooden finish door with a grand height of 9.8 feet and which comes with a digital lock by ELF, which gives you top level security and with a seamless entry experience. Plus there's a separate servant room right outside the main door for the added convenience. So let's step in. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by the spacious foyer area. It's designed to offer a warm welcome to your guests with room for decor, seating and a stunning wall feature. So after the foyer area, let me explain the dining area and the living area. So if you talk about living area, wow, this is called a real luxury. As you can see, the living area is beautifully designed with an L-shaped sofa, a central table, and additional 2-seater seating arrangement. Even with this setup, there is ample walking space available, making this area feel open and comfortable. Right in front of the sofa, you get a dedicated provision for the TV unit, ensuring a perfect viewing angle. So this living area comes with an attached balcony, and the balcony has UPVC sliding door which offers up to 80% noise cancellation, so you can enjoy your view without any outside disturbances. Now moving towards the balcony, for safety you get toughened glass with a strong aluminium frame, so even while enjoying the beautiful outdoor view, you and your family are always secure. So you can spend quality time with your families while having morning coffee or an evening tea, enjoying this view. So after the balcony area and the living area, let's go to the dining area. So here we have 8-seater dining area. It's spacious, it's clean and gives royal feel to your home, and the dimensions are given on the screen. Now moving towards the kitchen, it comes in a smart rectangular layout which offers great functionality and easy workflow while cooking. The interior you see here is designed as a complete modular kitchen setup. You can also customize your kitchen exactly like this, with organized storage spaces, smooth cabinets and a clean modern finishes that keeps everything practical and stylish at the same time. Now let's step into the first bedroom. The flooring here comes with a beautiful wooden finish which adds a warm and cozy feel to the entire space. It's perfectly designed to give you a comfortable and relaxing environment after a long day. And the best part, this bedroom has a balcony that is directly connected to the living area, giving you extended views and great natural light throughout the day. And here's your common washroom. Please take a look. Now moving to the second bedroom, this room is thoughtfully designed with an attached washroom, giving complete privacy and comfort to the person using the space. It also comes with its own separate balcony, allowing fresh ventilation and natural sunlight throughout the day. This room can be perfectly converted into guest bedrooms, so whenever relatives and friends visit, they get their own private corner to relax and enjoy their stay. Now let's take a look at the kids' bedroom. This space is designed to keep both comfort and safety in mind. It comes with an attached washroom, making daily routines for kids more convenient. There's also a separate balcony here, and the UPVC windows provide excellent noise reduction and added security, so your kids can play, study, and sleep peacefully. Finally, welcome to the master bedroom, the most spacious and luxurious space of this house. Even after placing a king-size bed, you still get a lot of free movement area around, making the room feel truly grand. This room has its own attached balcony which is connected to the living area, allowing beautiful nature light to flow in. There is excellent cross ventilation here as well, thanks to the large window on the opposite side. Right at the entry of the master bedroom, you get a walk-in closet, offering ample storage and a premium lifestyle touch. And like all other washrooms of this home, the master washroom also comes equipped with high-quality CP sanitary fittings from Kohler and sleek glass partition for modern and luxurious bathing experience. And this is the fifth bedroom, and you can get it customized as your favor. And this is the bedroom and a closet and a studying table. Prestige Raintree Park is a luxury township designed over expansive land in East Bangalore's fastest growing hub, Whitefield, Wattos Road. Here you'll find spacious 3 and 4 and 5 BHK homes, tower clusters with premium architecture, large balconies and smart interior planning, over 80% open spaces with greenery. This is not an apartment building, this is self-sufficient community. Built for families who want comfort, outdoor leisure and world-class amenities without stepping outside the gates. I hope you love this video, and if you are interested, please contact the number below, and then I'll see you in the next video with the new project. Signing off, Vashita from Brickfolio Private Limited.